What's up, everybody? What's good? What's goody, everybody?
What's that? I don't know if you know what it is.
It's your boy, Josh the Real here, back with another video, and today we got Kino here.
What good? What that? You know what I'm saying? You know what it is. For to go to the barber shop. Go to the barber shop.
Go to the barber. See my hair. My hair's good already. It's just that I need it to be super fresh. His hair is really why he's going. Every Saturday he goes to the barber for...
Hey, because you gotta stay fresh.
For who?
For my wife.
What are you talking about?
Bro,
actually, does not want you to go to the barber every week.
I'm famous though, so I gotta, you know what I'm saying? I gotta keep it tight. I gotta keep it right. You feel me?
So we're about to go to the barber, and I'm gonna show you how my hair looks after, and then his hair. It looks basically the same after, but
hey boy, you a hater, boy. You a hater.
Yeah.
Hey man, y'all gonna see the haircut when he get done.
Look like a cowboy. Went to the barber, as you can see, my hairline is literally fresh. Yeah, his hairline.
As you can see, that boy fresh. That boy fresh. Hey, fresh out of the barber shop. Yeah.
This, like, he literally causes a scene when he goes to the barber.
Bruh. Me? Oh
yes.
No.
You're over here screaming at your barber.
Bruh, they did that, bruh. They did that. You know what I'm saying? I don't play no games. They need to know that. You know what I mean?
So you can see my hair. So now we're gonna go to wherever.
We're gonna Walmart. What? Before they go to whatever.
We're going to Walmart. So yeah.
Bum 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 bum. Wally, what?
We're at Best Buy now, and I'm gonna show you the computers because Kino's trying to buy a computer at Best Buy. So yeah, we're here now, and I'm looking at the computers. Those are all the computers. Look how cool this is.
You must be bored.
You see right here, cyber power. Look at this, the colors change. There's a fan spinning. I'm pretty sure, I think to cool it. Look at the keyboard, bro. I'm clicking this, it changes the volume up and down. Look. I press this, the Explorer key, and it literally brings up Internet Explorer. That's crazy. So Alexa, turn on the fan.
Okay, it's getting cold.
And the fan turns on. Where's the logic in that? That's crazy. Look at this Alienware gaming PC. Look at that keyboard. That looks so cool. Imagine having this keyboard all the time, and when you go home, they have their own headphones too. Look at the price. These are just for all of them. The whole price together, yeah, it's pretty expensive. Guys, so we just left Best Buy. And you see that I bought the sandwiches from Subway. I bought the 4 different types of sliders that they had. I don't know which one is which, but one of them is cheesesteak, one of them is pepperoni, I think, one of them is turkey, and then one of them is, I think, ham. So, we're gonna try them right now. I pick up the first one. So, this one is the Philly cheese one, if you could tell and see. Inside is brown beef. And just in case you guys hear any extra noise, our neighbors are having a party. So, keep that in mind. So we're gonna try it. Yeah, it's really good. If you like Subway sandwiches, it tastes basically like a sub with whatever meat. For all of these, you can choose 2 toppings because they're small. So I just picked lettuce and pickles. But this tastes good. I don't have to finish it off, so I'm just gonna move on. Alright, so this is sandwich number 2. As you can see, it's ham and I think Black Forest cheese or something, or Swiss.
Black Forest ham.
Yeah, Black Forest ham and Swiss cheese. So it looks pretty good. Yeah, it tastes really good. Forest ham one was pretty good to me. Me, personally, I don't eat ham that much, every now and then. But, yeah, it tastes pretty good. If you like ham, you're gonna like it. So, sandwich number 3, I think that's pepperoni and, I forgot, some type of cheese, jack cheese. Pepperoni and jack cheese. So, as you can see, it looks pretty good. The pepperoni's here.
Wait, hold it.
So we're gonna take a bite. Yeah, it's pretty good. Tastes like pizza pepperoni. I mean, all pepperoni tastes the same, but yeah, this tastes really good. You can taste the pepperoni that stands out the most. I put ranch on my sandwiches, but they give you an option to put whatever sauce you want. And then for sandwich number 4 that I got, it's turkey with, I think, American cheese or white American cheese. And yeah, pretty basic sandwich. Got ranch and pickles on it. Yeah, their sandwiches are pretty good. You can tell that their turkey is mediocre, but it tastes okay if you like turkey sandwiches. But these are just some little things you can get when you feel hungry but you don't want that much food. So you can just stop by Subway. These cost like $1.99. They all cost $1.99, so all in all this came up to like $8. But yeah, if you don't feel like eating a whole sandwich or a whole foot long, you can just stop by and get these new sliders now. So check us out next time. If you enjoyed the vlog and you want more vlogs with Kino, you can comment below, and I'll see you guys next time on What Josh Eats.
And remember to like, share, and subscribe.